Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing an HP Instant Ink subscription and also a free paper subscription from HP Instant Ink. So they offer a paper subscription for printing, and if you subscribe the first month, they're going to give you a free month of a paper. So this is called the HP Instant Paper. And this is a really big box, so I think it's like, let me see, I'm not sure how many papers are in this thing, but this is pretty heavy. I actually thought they would include the ink subscription with this one, but this is just the paper, so it's a really big box for paper. And I think it's, yes, this is 500, let me see here, this is 500. I'm just making sure. I think this is one ream or less. There you go. So it's 500 paper, and you get it for free. You got like 3 of these for free for just trying out their service. So this is a letter size, and the brightness is 96, 20 pound. The heaviness is 20 pounds, and I think I got 3 in here, or 2. Let's see. I think there's 3. So yes, there is 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'll open one so I can show you how the paper looks like. Okay, so let's pull up a few pieces of this paper. Here. So it's really bright. The thickness, it's not very thick, as you can see my hand there, but it's a nice quality paper. And I got 3 500 pieces, so this is gonna last me a long time. So probably like 3 to 4 months of use. I use a lot of
1,050.
I usually do a subscription of like 500 600 paper a month during the school season because I print a lot. But then I would drop down to like the 200 per month paper. So that's why they offered me the service. So this is a good offer for if you use a lot of the ink service that they offer. And yes, you can try out this service. Just download their app, and there is like an offer in the bottom of the app for the HP Instant Paper. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.